Hello children, welcome to an interesting class about numbers. But before that, let us hear something about an ant family. Once upon a time, there lived a tiny ant family near to a cornfield. Every morning, they would go to the field in search of food. Children, have you seen the ants marching one by one? Yes, they have a special way of walking. They always walk in a line, one after the other. ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? ഉറുമ്പുകൾ നടന്നു പോകുന്നത് ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ടോ? Yes, they always walk in a line, one after the other. One day, they were coming in a line, one after the other, to the field in search of food. Immediately, the first ant saw that some flies had flown into the field. So the first ant turned and passed the message. Friends, let us go back home. Now it is not safe to enter the field. First ant എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ? ഫ്ലൈസ് ഓൾറെഡി ഫീൽഡിലുള്ളത് കണ്ടപ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ആൻഡ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ അടുത്ത് പറഞ്ഞു, ഇപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഫീൽഡിലേക്ക് പോവണ്ട, തിരിച്ച് വീട്ടിലേക്ക് പോകാം, ഇപ്പം അത്ര സേഫ് അല്ല എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. So the other ants followed the first ant and they all returned home in a line, one after the other. Children, have you noticed the way the ants walked one by one? Yes, they walk one after the other in a line. They walked one after the other in a line. They have set an order for walking. അല്ലേ? അവർക്ക് നടന്നു പോകുന്നതിന് ഒരു ഓർഡർ ഉണ്ട്. They have set an order for walking. We can see the ants in everywhere, at home, garden, etc. They always walk one after the other in a line. Likewise, the numbers have also an order. It starts from number 1. We all know how to count the numbers, right? Okay, let us start. Let us count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good children. See this number line. Here is written from number 1 to number 6. Which is the first number? Yes, that is number 1. After number 1, which number comes? Yes, number 2. After number 2, what is the next number? Yes, it is number 3. So these numbers are also have an order like the ants walking. അല്ലേ? ഉറുമ്പുകൾ ഒന്നിനു പുറകെ ഒന്നായി പോകുന്നത് പോലെ തന്നെയുള്ള ഒരു ഓർഡർ നമ്മുടെ നമ്പേഴ്സിനും ഉണ്ട്. Right? Now, this is going to tell about the number which comes after. Okay? Children, look at this number line and find out which number comes first. Yes, it is number 1. And after number 1, number 2. Then after number 2, number 3. Which number comes after number 3? Yes, it is number 4. So this is the number line and it is the order for numbers. Okay? Today we are going to learn about the after numbers. After number means the next number or the number comes after a given number. ഓൾറെഡി തന്നിരിക്കുന്ന ഒരു പെർട്ടിക്കുലർ നമ്പറിന് ശേഷം വരുന്ന നമ്പറിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ ആഫ്റ്റർ നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. സോ ആഫ്റ്റർ നമ്പർ മീൻസ് the number which comes after to a given number. Okay, so when we count forward from a given number, we get the after number. We get the number that comes after. See, what number is this? Yes, this is number 1. Now tell me, when we count forward, which number comes after? Yes, after number 1, number 2 comes after number 1. അല്ലേ? number 1 ശേഷം വരുന്ന number number 2 ആണ്. So when we count forward, number 2 comes after number 1. Okay, now tell me, this is number 2. Okay, now when we count forward, which number comes after number 2? Yes, number 3. Number 3 comes after number 2. Now tell me, this is number 3. When we count forward, which number comes after number 3? 1, 2, 3, yes, 4. Number 4 comes after number 3. Very good, children. Now we have a worksheet activity to revise the after numbers. Okay, children, this is the worksheet to revise after numbers. The first question says, circle the object that comes after the first one in each box. Here is given 2 boxes. In each box there are 2 objects. We have to circle the object that comes after the first one. So this is the first object. So we have to circle the object that comes after the first one. So we have to circle this object because this object comes after the first one. Okay, likewise you have to do in this box also. Next, read the number line and write the number that comes after. You can see a number line given here and we have to read it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now write the number that comes after. So here is written number 1 and after number 1 which number comes? 1, 2. So we have to write number 2 here. Okay, and here also, here is written number 2. So after number 2 you just check in the number line. 1, 2 and after number 2, yes, number 3. So we should write number 3 here. Adupole you have to complete these numbers also. Okay, next page, color the object that comes after the first one in each box. Here also it's given 2 boxes and in each box there are 2 objects. So we have to color the object that comes after the first one. So first one ne shesham varuna object idana. So endu cheyanam, we have to color this one and this one also. Okay, so you should color neatly. Fourth question, write the after number in each box. ഇവിടെ first box le number എഴുതിയിട്ടുണ്ട് and the second box is blank. So you have to fill up the after number. Number 2. After number 2, it comes number 3. So you should write number 3 here. Then it is number 1. After number 2, which number comes? Yes, very good. Number 2. So you should write number 2 here. Then which number is this? Yes, it is number 4. After number 4, yes, very good. We should write number 5. This is number 3. 1, 2, 3. The next number will be number 4. Okay. Then here is written number 5. After number 5, we have to write number 6 here. Okay. Finish your worksheet and do it neatly. Okay, children? Children, hope you understood the topic of after numbers. So see you again in the next class. Bye-bye.